How to promote Digistore24 products on Medium for free. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find products on Digistore24 and start promoting them on Medium. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you might be wondering about both of these platforms. What are they and what are they used for? Well, first off, Digistore24 is actually a very large platform where you can do buying, selling. You can also be an affiliate marketer, and there's a lot more with this platform. But Medium is a platform where you can read, write, and connect with other people, and you can write your own articles as well. So first off, on Digistore24, you're going to go into their marketplace section, and you don't even need to register to actually start browsing their marketplace. So you can just see some of their different products that they offer. And you can see there's a lot of stuff that Digistore24 has to offer. And generally, you can see their affiliate marketing links are over here as well. You can choose any kind of product that you want, depending on the type of articles that you're looking to write, once you have selected something to promote or something that you're selling. So let's just go into their apparel if they have any, because I find that to be interesting usually. But they don't have any, so let's just go with foods and drink. And you can see over here, they have an affiliate link for this book. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on promote now for any of the products that you want to promote. So let's just say that we want to promote this book. So we're just going to click on promote now over here. And then you're just going to sign up for Digistore24, and then you're going to get your affiliate link for that book. Now, once you have your affiliate link, you're going to head on over to medium.com. And medium.com is a great platform to actually start promoting your product. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on get started over here. Now you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or your email account. I already have the account, so I'm just going to click on sign in, and I'm just going to sign in to my account. Now I'm going to continue. Now, once you have signed up for Medium, this is going to be your basic homepage. You can see over here on the top right, you have your account settings. You have write a story, stats, design your profile, settings, and some other lists and publications. Then you can even upgrade your account to get a full membership where you don't get any ads. You get quality support writing and access to anything on the website. But you don't really need that to start promoting your affiliate links or any of the products that you're looking to sell. After that, you're going to see that this is just the basic look of the Medium platform. We're going to have all your articles on the left, and then some boxes on the right over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on your profile over here. You're going to click on write a story, and with that you're going to go into your drafts. Now, the book that I chose was Smooth and Juicy Recipes to Look Great and Feel Amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the title first, and I'm going to rephrase it in some way. So how to look great and feel amazing with smoothies. So you're just going to rephrase the item's title or whatever you're looking to sell, whatever is the product, service that you want to promote or sell. You're just going to rephrase the title and add it to your title on Medium. How to look and feel amazing. Here's the secret. Like this. So you want to make sure that you add something that is a bit captivating in the run-on sentence that you create for your title, and after that you're going to start writing. Now, how do you write something about a book that you're promoting? Well, you're just going to write something like, preferably write anecdotal evidence. So start with I have been feeling awful and I finally found the cure, and so on and so forth. So you're going to give out your own experience, your own anecdotal evidence, and then you're just going to copy up your link. And once you have some evidence for your story, you're going to run on with, so here it is the Holy Grail, and then you're going to add a title for it, The Secret to My Success, and then you're going to add the book's title like this. Gonna copy that, and then you're gonna leave the link. You can buy this book over here, and after that you're gonna leave a link to the actual purchasing link. So you're gonna paste that, and just like that, now you have a very basic looking article promoting your product. Now, this is a very easy way to start promoting your product, and obviously you can add different stuff to it. Now, first thing first, I wouldn't suggest actually copying and pasting links like this. What I would suggest is when you type up, you can buy this book, I would suggest you actually highlight this link, you make it bold, and you click on these two chains over here, and then you copy the link and add it as a hyperlink. So this is called a hyperlink. You're going to add the link over here. And now if anyone clicks on this, they're directly going to be led to this page. And this is how I actually recommend that you add links. Don't ever actually type up the entire link, because that looks a bit unprofessional and it looks very outdated as well. Now, if you want to change anything within within the text. So if there's anything you need to emphasize, you're just going to select the text like this. A box will pop up on the top, and you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can add more links to it, you can make it capital, you can make it smaller, and then you can also make it like so. If it's a quotation, you can add it like this. So if you're quoting the book or the product that you're directly promoting or selling, you can definitely add quotations like so, but you can also remove them just by deselecting the text. Now after that, once you have written your entire article, you're just going to click on publish over here. You're going to get a basic preview of your image, and then you're going to add a few tags. So you can add up to 5 tags, and I would suggest that you add as many as you can. So I have fitness, and after that I'm going to add health, beauty, secret to fitness, and the last tag that I'm going to add is lifestyle. And the reason that I recommend that you add all 5 tags is that it's going to help you get the word of your product out there. So you're just going to click on publish now, and now our story has been published. This is rather a hollow story, so just to show you guys, this is just a basic preview. And once you actually click on the link over here, and you can see over here, I added the link to my affiliate or to my product over here. And if I just click on it, it's going to open up this in a new tab, and you can see this is the page that I linked. Now, once you have started promoting your Digistore24 affiliates on the Medium platform, you can actually make another promotion by copying your Medium article. So let's just go on over to your own stories. And what you're going to do is you can view your own stories over here on your published section. And once you have your own story, you can just view the stats of your story first and see how well the story is doing. Right now, you can see all of the detailed analytics, your story's impact, the views, the member time reading, the internal views, and the external views as well. And I find this to be the most helpful because you're going to be able to know when your audience actually slips off and does not become interested in your product, and you're going to be able to make that more exciting and more intriguing for your customers. So once you have done that, you're going to actually go on to your story. So you're just going to open up your story, and what I like to do is I like to go on to Facebook groups. And let's say if the Digistore24 product that I'm doing is maybe for food or apparel, so let's say if it's a apparel product, I'm going to go on to Facebook, and I'm going to go into Facebook fashionistas. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to search for fashionista, and I'm going to go into groups, and I'm going to find all of these different fashion related groups where people are discussing fashion. So I can just search for fashion over here, and I'm going to search for different groups. So I'm going to filter it out, and you can see there are many different types of groups over here. Now, what I like to do is I just like to join these groups. So you're just going to join any of these groups. Usually they are free to join or public to join, and sometimes they will require you to fill out a small little questionnaire to join. And once you have actually done that, what you're going to do is you're just going to copy your Medium article link, and you're going to link it over here. And what you're going to do is click on create post, copy this, and what you're going to paste the Medium link over here. And then on the bottom, on the top, you're going to write, I think this really improved my taste in fashion, just like this. And then you're gonna just leave it like that and post it onto these groups. And this serves as a very good promotion, not only for your Medium article, but for your Digistore product as well. And it gives you a lot of extra promotion and a lot of extra coverage on your Medium article. And this will seem very, very indirect. So people are not going to view this as a affiliate link at all. People are never going to suspect that this could be an affiliate. It's going to be a very indirect form of marketing, and you're going to be able to get more clicks. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to promote your Digistore24 product on the Medium platform. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.